Hi, how are you children? I hope everyone are fine. Now coming to the point. So today in this video, we are going to see an assignment on kingdoms, kings and an early republic. Then let's take here first question. Who composed later Vedic books? Yeah, these Vedic books composed by priests. Now let's take second question here. Name the four groups into which later Vedic society was divided. So it's a very familiar answer. So even we can say this Varna system also, like society divided into different categorization, like first Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras. So that is what answer here. See, Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras. Third question now. Where is Purana Killa situated? Yes, Purana Killa located in Delhi. Now where is Hastinapur located? Yes, near Meerut. Then fifth question. What was the content of later Vedic books? So this Vedic books describes about the society. So the rules regarding the society. So that is what here the later Vedic books contain rules about the society. Now let's take sixth question, children. What do you mean by the word Janapadas? So land where the Jana set its foot and settled down. So that is what called as Janapadas. So Jana means people, Pada means foot. Okay, so that is what land where the Jana sets its foot and settled down, it's called as Janapadas. Now seventh question, children. List an important characteristics of the Ganges civilization, northern India. Ganges civilization means nearby Ganga river. Okay. So the painted grave were frequently decorated with simple designs in black or red points. These were used on special occasions to serve special food. That means they will design some special what? Black and red painted regarding what? So to perform in the different occasions. So like this, why they have to prepare like this? Because to serve the special food by time of occasions. Now eighth question, children. What was the use of the painted grey wire? So these were used on special occasions to serve special food. Yeah, just now we discussed in the seventh question also. Then ninth question here. Later Vedic books are named. So that because they were composed after the dash. That means these Vedic books only converted into the form of Rig Vedas, children. Now 10th question here. Who were not allowed to study the Vedas? Yeah, in those days, women and Shudras are not allowed to study Vedas. Then 11th question here. The special type of pottery found at Janapadas was dash. Yeah, already we discussed even in the 7th question. So painted grey ware. Next 12th question, children. What does Varna means? Yeah, just now we discussed Varna means categorization of society like Brahmin, Kshatriya, Shudras and Vaishyas. So that is what here see, the priests divided people into four groups called Varnas. According to them, each Varna had different set of functions. Like Brahmins means they are priests. So Kshatriyas means kings. Vaishyas means business. Shudras are slaves. Like that. Now 13th question, why Shudras were excluded from the every ritual? Because they treated as slave children in those days. So that is what here see, Shudras were excluded from every ritual because according to priests, contact with these groups was polluting because they are treated as slaves. Next 14th question. How some men came to become recognized as Rajas? Okay. Yeah, already we discussed even in the previous assignment. How become Rajas? So Rajas, they have to do some big sacrifices like Aswamedha, horse sacrifice. Then only they recognize as Rajas. That is what answer you see. Some men, by performing big sacrifice like the Aswamedha, Yagnas or horse sacrifice, came to be recognized as Rajas. So these are 14 questions answers, children. I hope you are very clear with these answers. Thank you so much. Now signing off.